Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey. Today I'm coming to you with a little bit of a different video. Today I'm going to be doing a wedding dress try on with a wedding dress that I actually bought on wish.com. I actually bought this dress back in December of this past year, and I was really busy, as you guys heard me talk about my previous Etsy video with my Etsy shop. So I wasn't able to record it, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video recorded. So I ordered a wedding dress, and it's about a size 8 or 10, I believe, or it might be like a medium or large. I'll have the specs in the description box, and once I open it up I'll show it to you guys. So the wedding dress itself cost $28. Also bought a Tierra that was, I believe, $1.99, and I think the shipping was free as well. If not, it was like $8 or so. Again, it was so long ago, so I don't remember exactly. So I am a size 8'10", and I'm about 6 feet tall, and I weigh about 175 pounds. So just to give you an estimate of my height and weight. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try this wedding dress on. I'll let you guys know the texture, how it feels on my skin, how long it is, if it's like a scratchy material. Hopefully it isn't too cheap. It looked really nice on the model, so I have a bit of a high expectation, even though it was 28 bucks. I hope to start a series on my YouTube channel on, you know, trying on wedding dresses so that you guys can get an eye view of what it would look like in person. So let's go ahead and try this dress on, honey. Alright, okay love, so I have the wedding dress here. It's not too heavy. I also have the Tierra. It's pretty lightweight. The wedding dress has a little bit of weight to it, not like super heavy. So I'm gonna open it up and let you guys see firsthand what it looks like. Me too. Okay love, so here's what the wedding dress looks like once you take it out of the packaging. I did order a large, so I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. There's a really weird smell to it, but I must say, ooh, the top, that looks beautiful. Look how beautiful look at that. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. The beading on it looks really nice. Oh my god. The smell is horrible. It smells like fish or something. It smells really bad. Oh my god, the smell is really strong. I'm sorry. It's just, it does have a really strong fishy smell to it. I don't know what the heck, or like marker or something. I don't know, but oh shoot. This dress is beautiful. Minus the smell on it, it is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely doesn't look like it cost $28, that is for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, and the back of it is absolutely beautiful as well. Now they have a small zipper that just zips very short from just here to here, right? So it's not like a huge zipper that goes through it. So the bodice of the dress is absolutely beautiful in the inside. So it has great boning right here around the waist of the dress, so it definitely will hold you in. And it looks like it does have some support in there for your boobs, which is so crucial, right? Like, we want to make sure that the boobs are nice and lifted. So I definitely love that. It's a well sewn dress, okay? I am not mad at how beautiful this dress is. Definitely looks like it's worth way more than $28, so that is gorgeous. The stitching in it is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. This is gorgeous. I hope that it fits. It is a bit, I think I should be able to fit in here. You know, there's some room. They did leave a nice amount of fabric on the back of it, just in case you don't fit the dress, so that it doesn't have to fit from here to here. Does that make sense? You can have like a nice amount of room in between the back if you can't fit it fully, so that you can tie it up and it won't show your back, which is amazing. I love that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this dress on and let you guys know how it fits. Oh my god, I'm burning up. Ah! It looks beautiful. Wow. So I do love the way that the dress fits. It fits really nice. Now, I have a really long torso. I'm 6 feet tall, so this ends about here, right? My torso ends like right here, so it's not long enough, right, to go all the way down my torso, which is okay. Definitely, as I said before, this dress is suitable for someone about average height, 5'5" to probably about 5'9". I'm very long, so this is definitely a little bit short for me. I was quite surprised at how long it was in length. It does go all the way down to the ground for me. It actually goes right to past my ankle. It touches the top of my foot, which is really nice. But you know, if you're going to be wearing heels, it's definitely going to show your heels if you're tall and you wear this dress. Another great thing that I love about this dress is the fullness of it. It's very full. It's giving me princess vibes, which is what you want to go for with this sort of a dress. Now, it's not super puffy to where it's over the top. It's the right amount of puffiness to me, for sure. I wouldn't want like a really huge wedding dress, you know. This is the right size, I think. I think if you take a steamer, you can definitely steam out this dress and it will look just as beautiful. I definitely love this dress. Now, I do have on a strapless bra, so you know, you might see a little bit of the black bra right underneath that. Definitely have a nude bra for you to wear with this dress. I love it though. It fits beautifully. The top of the dress is gorgeous. As I said before, there were a few pieces of string of the thread hanging from there. Just cut those off or take it into your tailor and have them touch it up for you prior to your wedding day. So next I'm gonna open up the Tierra and see what it looks like. So here's what the Tierra looks like. It's kind of small, it's not too big. I didn't want to go over the top with it. The dress is a lot, right? You don't want to take away from that. Keep it nice and simple, but you just want to bling it out a little bit more. So I'm gonna try the Tierra on and let you guys see what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. So here's what it looks like with the Tierra on. It's really cute, very simple. I don't know if I have it in the right position. I just wanted to try it on and, you know, just make it look really simple, but it goes really nice with the wedding dress. I do have some earrings. I might just add those in to see what it looks like. Let me grab them. So overall, I would give this wedding dress about a 7.5 out of 10. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's try on haul with the wish.com dress. In the description box, I will have a link to the wish.com store where you can find this dress as well as the Tierra. It turned out beautiful. I really love it. I might throw this on my Etsy shop or maybe do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other stores that are affordable that you would like me to try on wedding dresses for you and give you my honest feedback, let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, make sure that you let me know that as well. If you're new to my channel, I'm chanellenovosey. I do DIYs and other things. Please subscribe at this moment. Click the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, and I really greatly appreciate that, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this. I appreciate that as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful day, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.